Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Palisade key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. To prevent any scratches, consider wrapping your key fob in a soft cloth or applying a bit of painter's tape. Now, carefully examine the key fob to find the small slot, usually located on one of its sides. This is where we'll begin the opening process. With your tool ready, carefully insert its tip into the small slot you located. Apply gentle pressure and slowly twist the screwdriver or coin. You should feel the two halves of the key fob casing begin to separate. Listen for a subtle click, which indicates the clips are disengaging. Remember, patience is key here. Avoid forcing it to prevent any damage to the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, round battery inside. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. The Hyundai Palisade key fob typically uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. Carefully pop out the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring it's placed in the correct direction. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze around the edges to ensure it's fully closed. Finally, test all the buttons to confirm your key fob is working perfectly. Also, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.